Hi, I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth from San Jose, your local San Jose chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic. Today I'm going to go over something that is super helpful. This is basically just a different way of moving your neck around when you're looking down at stuff. Let's say you are walking around, you're on your phone, you take your phone out, you go ahead and look down. So when I look down at my phone, and when most people look down on their phone, what they do is they look down like this, and their ear goes in front of their shoulder here. Okay, that's a forward head posture. Is how people identify that. That's what people that's what they say when they see it. When you do forward head posture, I want you to imagine something. I want you to realize that you have neck muscles on the side of your spine. And when you look down like this, and your ear goes in front of your shoulder, the neck muscles in the back of your neck, they contract to prevent your head from falling forward against gravity. That's a good thing, because we don't want our head falling, right? But we have neck bones, we have cervical spine right here underneath our skull. And what we want to do is we want to allow the neck bones to support the weight of the head rather than the muscles. It's just like a beam in a building. The beam is the spine, and then if you had that on an angle, you'd have to hold like ropes to hold that up, and the ropes would be your muscles in this scenario. So keep your neck straight when you're looking down. And how do I do that? So I want you to realize in your neck you have multiple bones. You have 7 vertebrae that go from the base of the skull to like the top of the upper back. Okay, that's the distinguishing between the neck and the upper back here. When we look down with our ear going in front of our shoulder, which usually happens, we are more using this as our fulcrum. This is like our pivot point down here in like the base of the skull. And so what you want to do instead is, rather than looking down like this, you want to realize that you can actually hinge at the top half of your neck when you look down at something. So when I look down at my phone, going back to the side view, if I look down more like this, where I allow my neck bones to support the weight of my head, using more of this as my fulcrum up in here, kind of like below my ear, looking down more like this, this really helps with reducing the tightness that can occur from looking down at your phone a lot. Maybe you're on your iPad. This also applies for books. It also applies for laptops. I might as well just show you that now. When working on a laptop, if I look down at this the way that we usually do, which is opening it up and we're kind of like this. That's the traditional posture. What we want to do instead is sit with our butt to the back of the chair. You can put this on your lap, you can put it on a table. But when I look down at my laptop, I'm going to do the same technique. I'm going to look down more from the upper half of the neck. And that would be a better way to use your laptop. When you do this too, you can open up your screen a little wider rather than having it more like this, where I'm looking down. Open it up more. Get that nice and wide, and then look down like this. I hope that helps. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and post it in the comment section. I appreciate you watching, and try to avoid that tech neck, they call it, or text neck. Really start using your upper half of your neck. It's much more useful when looking down. It will prevent the tightness, and you can do it on your own test. You can look down like this, feel the muscles on the side of your spine, how they tighten up. If I look down and hinge, I feel how they're looser. Okay? Hopefully that helps you. Thank you again for watching. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth, your local San Jose chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic. Have a good day.